Welcome to another episode of Aslimeni Maswati, where we bring you stories of farmers from Eswatini who inspire others to go into commercial farming. Today we're visiting Mage Happiness Shabangu Simelane. She's a strawberry farmer, a beautiful garden. She also has a concept where people come to visit her to pick strawberries. Come and learn more about what she does in this farm, beautiful farm in Hawani. Come join us. Nguni, we want to appreciate your kindness and the time that you've afforded us to come and speak to you as a farmer. Mm-hmm. We realize, I think we've seen that you are now trending, especially in social media, with strawberries.
Of course.
So we were just following in that direction to come to your home, and you have welcomed us nicely. Thank you for that. We want to talk to you about that farming journey and how you can basically help others, of course, to learn from you. So, siyabonga kakhulu. I think for me, normally, people want to know who I'm talking to. Mage Lashabangu, Mrs. Simelane. We can start by where you're from.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I'm Happiness Shabangu from Enkhaba.
Yes.
Kachief Mnisi. Induna yami ngimandla Mdluli.
Okay.
Yes, I'm from there, Kashabangu.
Now, siyabonga mkhulu. Yeah, we were actually trying to find exactly, because we see you are very passionate farm.
Yes.
Where is that coming from?
Oh, it's coming from my dearest mama.
Okay.
Magethembile Mkabela, who is a teacher by profession.
Okay.
An agriculture teacher.
Oh.
I took it from here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So growing up, she was teaching agriculture, but
yes, even at home.
Yeah, she was practicing it.
Yes, she was practicing it.
Okay.
We had a small garden because we were staying at Sandla.
Uh-huh.
Yes, we've got. We did have some small plots.
Yes.
We were planting just lettuce, maize, everything in that small portion of land.
In town,
In
Babane
town,
and
Sandla. Yes.
Okay.
I grew up at Sandla.
All right.
Yes.
So you grew up and you went to work.
Yes.
We know you're some kind of an engineer, but you are now doing farming. That's what has made you famous.
Yes,
famous.
I'm a lady in ICT, basically.
Okay. All right.
Yes, I did computer science. Yes, I like farming because, okay, technology is in Kanza. When I was about, in my teens.
Okay.
Yes, but from childhood, everyone was having his or her own tool for farming.
Yes.
Yes. So from the earliest stage, we learn food comes from the soil.
Yes. Mm-hmm. So that's got you back to the soil.
Back to the soil.
When did you start? In where we are now, you are now famous with strawberries. When did that start?
Long time, I may say.
Mm-hmm.
Long time, because I started when I was in Form 3.
Okay.
Yes, back then, when I was in Form 3, at least it was farming and the sewing.
Yes.
I'm sewing curtains.
Sewing patterns.
Curtains.
Curtains. Okay.
Curtains, duvet, comforters, fitted sheets, you name it, even clothes.
Oh.
Okay.
You're a hardworking woman, of course. So,
Even clothes, it's just like I don't like clothes because
or you buy your own.
more money. I mean, less chenny.
Oh, I see.
Sorry, can you have water?
Water, please. Say, Mugen. So,
Okay, the farming and the sewing, I studied it when I was in Form 3. I grew up. Then I went to, after completing my high school, in fact, I will just highlight that after completing my O level, I was schooling at, I did my high level at high school at St. Francis Mbabane.
okay.
Yes, that's where the journey started then. But I loved multitasking. I was sewing this side, I was farming this side, I was schooling this
You're
side.
schooling. Yeah.
Yes.
And we are passive because now you are in the sciences. That means we are passive.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. No. From that hardworking.
I like maths, I'm a
Okay.
mathematician.
Sure. Sure.
I started there from 3 upwards.
So we're now here in Hawane. This is your home, and we have seen your
Gasimelane.
We have seen the agriculture interests. You are farming a lot of things. Maybe you can take us through what's in your farm
What I
here
do.
now. What do you do here?
Okay, here in this farm, this is Hawane farm. Simelane residence.
Yes.
We do have rabbits.
Yeah.
We do
Which
have
we do commercial.
commercial, yes.
Okay.
We do have chickens. Like now we're having cooks.
Yes.
I don't know. Ngathi timbangele ngeSwati.
Timbangele. Yes. Yes.
Cooks.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, and also we're having
The broilers.
broilers,
Which we saw as well. Okay.
of course. Then we're having the strawberries.
Yeah.
Phinde kutholakale ini? Lettuce, maize. Okay. You will get some anyways.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, maize. But not for commercial. Maize is just
Or it's just for the home.
For the chickens, for food.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But for commercial is the broiler, the cuckoos, the eggs, the rabbits, the strawberries, plus the sowing part of it.
And the sowing
How can
part.
I forget?
Okay. So like you mentioned, the cuckoos, we are using them for the production of organic eggs
Yes, organic eggs.
and fertile eggs. I think you
Fertile.
mentioned.
Yes, fertile.
So if someone wants to start, and I know a lot of people, I'm in the same line of business. By the way, I might be coming back for the eggs. If you have an incubator, someone can buy eggs from you.
Yes.
Okay, of the cuckoo type.
Depending on availability, though.
Depending on availability. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. No. Back to strawberry.
Yeah.
If I'm a farmer and I want to start strawberry, where do I start? Well, what would you advise as one of the leading farmers right now?
I will say you'll need capital, obvious.
Yeah.
And the land.
How much land? What's the smallest piece of land can I start with? If I want to be commercial, by the way.
Maybe an acre, because
Okay.
an acre is just less than a hectare. Will do.
All right.
Even the smallest plot, you can plant strawberries
Yeah.
just for eating.
For yourself.
For yourself, yes. You mustn't buy everything from the shop.
I agree.
The economy, is
Doesn't
not
allow
global.
anymore.
It doesn't allow anymore.
Let's
You
produce
see,
our own food. Yeah.
I would encourage people to just have their own gardens, small gardens in the backyard. Put lettuce, put spinach, and obvious my strawberry. You come here and you'll get seedlings. You just go and plant. In fact, some have benefited a lot
From your seedlings.
from
yeah.
the seedlings. Yes,
Okay.
because they come here. When they come home, I charge them 8 rand per seedling, but when I'm taking them to town, it becomes 10 rand
Per seedling.
per seedling. Yes.
Okay, say I buy that
Going
seedling.
back to
What do I do with it?
yes, I'm saying going back to
Yeah.
the planting. Yes, you first prepare your soil. And as I've said, the strawberry needs an acidic soil.
Yeah. So it matters where I plant.
yeah,
That's the
it
first
matters.
thing I should
Yeah.
know. If I'm in Lubulin, for instance, it's too hot. Maybe.
Yeah, it's too hot. Strawberries usually like this high-fold region.
Okay.
Yeah, from Baba. Or some they are in Milekans, Zuluini. Yeah,
But the Highveld,
the high-fold
preferred
region.
like climate for
That climate,
strawberries.
yes.
Okay.
The pH for that soil must range from 6.0 to 6.8.
Acidic soil.
It's 5. Yeah, the soil.
All right.
Then you're supposed to have capital, have this to start the business first.
Yes.
To buy the seedlings.
Yes.
To buy fertilizer. To buy the mulching plastic. But even if you don't have money for mulching plastic, you can use straw. You just cut grass or
yeah.
any leaves. You just
Put it
there
Okay,
next to
okay.
the plant, next to the seedlings.
Yeah.
That's it. Because you start small.
The advice is that you must start.
You start small.
Yeah.
The goal is to start. Yeah. But
Yeah. Okay. We'll come back to explaining why the mulching is important. But you spoke about fertilizer. Is there any type of fertilizer that is used specifically for strawberries?
No, there's no specific type of fertilizer. The one we find in shops, we just use them.
232, 22, 232,
43,
37? Or it depends on the soil
on the
test
soil,
results?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. No, so we can go to
Then you
why.
can also use chicken manure or anything, rabbit manure.
Just to make the soil fertile.
Yes.
Okay.
Just make the soil fertile.
All right.
Then, of course, you're supposed to have sprinklers for a start.
Yeah.
Because now we're using sprinklers for watering your seedlings.
Are they good for when you have your flowers? When the plant is already flowering, would you recommend that you continue with sprinklers? Don't they destroy the flowers?
No,
Not
because
really.
I've been using it.
It's effective.
Yes, effectively. Yeah. No, and any type of irrigation
System can work.
can do.
Okay.
But I prefer the drip.
The drip.
The drip.
It's the most perfect.
The most perfect something.
It saves the water,
saves
but
water,
also it doesn't
Yes.
temper with the flowering. Okay.
True that.
Okay, now you also were showing us when we were in the garden, of course, how you
How to apply.
the mulch.
mulching plastic.
Yes.
Okay, first of all, mulching plastic helps in a lot of ways. First is the weed.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
It suppresses the weed. Then the fruit, in fact, it just lands onto the plastic.
Yeah.
Because there are some snails there. You find so many pests that can destroy your seedling. But when you're using the mulching plastic, you see even the fruit itself is fresh, clean. You can simply pick from the garden you eat.
And eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also the warmth, because strawberries, they do like the warm temperature. So they advise us to use the mulching plastic
Okay.
for that. Yes.
Yeah. I was actually going there. Where did you get the
Plastic.
the technical skills for this type of of business. I'm sure it's technical, so you needed to learn about it somewhere.
Oh, yes. With the help of Taiwan, the ICDF
Okay.
program, oh, sorry.
Oh,
Yes, they're the ones who help farmers. In fact, they don't help an individual. You're supposed to form a co-op for them to help.
okay.
So as I've said that we are Hawane multi-purpose co-op.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so they do fund us. When we are a first-time farmer,
Yes.
they provide you with 1,000 seedlings, the winter-bearing seedlings. They provide you with 1,000
Yeah.
seedlings, and
So the seedlings themselves are,
they come
are different
from Thailand.
types.
There are different types.
So there's one for
Yes.
winter, is one for summer, and you must know. So I
Yeah,
cannot
which
just go
one?
to town and pick any.
Yeah, you don't just pick any.
Yeah.
The winter-bearing ones are from Taiwan. Then the summer ones, you get them locally.
Okay.
Yes. There is also the all year round
Oh, variety.
variety as well.
Okay.
But that one, they don't produce much as the
Or
winter
the
one.
specific season
Yes,
one.
because
I see.
even the types of varieties, you have to know them.
Yeah.
Because we are here for money.
Yeah.
I wouldn't like to buy a seedling that will just bear only 5 fruits.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
All about the yield.
it's all about
Yeah.
the yield.
Of course.
So the winter one, they can bear up to 20 strawberries per tree.
Okay. Now this is individual fruits.
Individual tree. I mean, the fruits can be around 20 in a tree.
Okay.
So
Because
you
I'm
remove-
trying to get there to talk about the profitability of the business.
Oh, okay. Let's not go there now. Let's
Yeah.
continue with the,
Okay.
Yes.
The,
I was talking
with
about the mulching.
The mulching, yeah.
Yes. Once we have done that, you first prepare your soil.
Yeah.
You plant your seedlings. Then you apply again the mulching plastic on top. Then you simply touch. The touching technique.
Yes.
You touch and feel where is the plant, because
Yeah.
the plant the spaces in between each plant is 30 centimeters. So you simply touch, then you feel, oh, there is the tree. You just pull the plastic, then you cut that circle.
Yeah.
Then
You also explained that you cover. There's raised. The soil is raised,
by 30 centimeters,
going up,
going up 30 centimeters.
Okay.
Even the spacing on the seedling,
and then on
30
top is
centimeters.
the width is 90. You said.
90, so that you can just on the side,
Yeah.
so that you can just okay, because it is 90, you can just like 20 centimeters of soil, you put it aside,
Okay.
then you apply the plastic, then
Yeah.
you cover.
Okay. Now I have 90. I
We have
put
30, the bed,
It's going up 30.
30 centimeters.
Yes.
Then the spacing in between each seedling is 30
Yeah.
centimeters again.
And how many lines do I have on top?
You-
On the 90.
Or you
how
can
many?
have two.
Two lines
two lines.
going that way. Okay.
Two
All right.
lines.
Okay. In
And-
those lines, the spacing between those
It's
lines.
30. And it mustn't
Okay.
be, I will demonstrate like this. It mustn't be like straight. You see here? These are the lines 1, 2. You see?
Yeah.
So I'm saying it's 30 up. Even the spacing is 30,
Between
30,
the
30
trees, yeah.
between the trees. So you mustn't put a seedling here and here. So
The first ones.
the first one must be okay. We're having we designed something
Okay.
that is 30 centimeters. We simply do like this across the bed, like this.
Ah,
Yabo, like this, 30 centimeters, 30. So when you're planting, you plant here. You don't plant here. You plant on this side and you plant half here. So it must be like this,
like a zigzag.
like a zigzag.
Ah, so
Like
why
this.
is that? Why is that done?
For air circulation, because when they're on the same line, yes, atawufutsetelana.
Ah, okay. Okay.
So it's better to this plant here, 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 like that zigzag pattern.
That's interesting. Yeah, I didn't know that one. Okay.
Yes.
So you also said something whilst we were in the garden that as you put the plastic, don't cover the whole space, the whole stretch.
Because the seedlings might suffocate. So like make sure that it's only 2 meters and the others are just, they are two pulling the plastic.
Okay.
They wait for the guys to
Finish and
cover,
then
to
you
finish
process.
up covering
Okay.
the plastic with the soil.
All right.
Then two ladies, they just open up.
Okay.
But even if a man can also do the opening up, but it
Yeah.
must be neat.
We know, man.
Just open up these holes. You touch,
Yeah.
then you feel there's a tree.
Tender care.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tender care. You pull the plastic, you cut
Yeah.
in circles, in circles, in
Okay.
circles. Then once done, then you can apply your fertilizer.
Yes. Then you explained about how you apply fertilizer.
After 2 weeks, you can apply. Nasobona nje ukuthi okay, my seedling now is firm on the ground.
Yeah.
Then you apply fertilizer, but just like any other crop, you mustn't just apply the fertilizer just on the roots. No, just give it a space.
Okay.
And make sure that we're using this lead, this one, to measure.
Or what?
To measure the fertilizer,
How much?
Petri.
Petri. Okay.
They taught us, the Taiwan guy
Oh, okay.
taught us that
That's
we
the
must use
measurement
this
for-
one. Yes. You just
Right.
apply per seedling.
Okay. So that's fertilizer. How
That's
about LAN? Do we apply LAN at some point? No.
No, it's just fertilizer for strawberries. Yes.
So from that 2 weeks, you don't apply any more until you harvest. After how long?
After after 3 weeks, I may say, you apply fertilizer.
More fertilizer
More fertilizer. Yes, during its
as it grows.
as it grows.
You are not applying LAN.
But once they reach the blooming stage,
You stop.
you wait a bit,
Okay.
then you harvest. Yes, but the trees, you can tell by the tree that this one needs fertilizer.
Needs fertilizer now.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
we keep on watering.
Yeah. It's a plant. I also know it can be attacked by your insects, and how do you deal with that? And are there any chemicals that are used when growing?
Yeah,
in a
there
strawberry?
are chemicals used because there are bugs, there are so many pests.
Yeah.
But me, I like to use the organic way. I apply bicarbonate of soda. I mix water with bicarbonate of soda
Okay.
and vinegar
And vinegar.
to chase away, yes, the insects.
Okay.
Yes, because once the fruit is there, I don't want my customers to suffer because of
chemicals.
the chemicals I put
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
I'm a little bit skeptical, but yes, some they do apply the chemicals. Instead, I use eucalyptus as well.
Okay.
Okay. Just sprinkle, just mix with water, then you sprinkle, and you'll see, they will just run away.
So you grow them, they start fruiting.
And again, of most importance is to make sure that there are no old leaves. You simply prune all the old leaves. Yes. Once you see, oh, this leaf has dried up,
Take it out.
you take it out immediately.
Yeah,
Yeah, because it affects the yield.
sure.
Yes, we take it out, and in that way, we are going the other trees are be affected by the same disease.
So ufuna ubudlalela ngasengathini.
Udlalela ngasengathini all the time.
Yeah, and then with that, I because I know you are a busy farmer, but you have helpers
Yes, I do.
who can also make sure that they can detect what's going on in the farm.
Yes,
So-
and I like it because the Taiwan people, they don't mind training our own helpers.
Okay.
Yes, they normally conduct classes
Yeah.
for our
You know,
helpers.
for your team. How many
Yes.
do we have in this farm?
I have 4 in total.
Okay.
Yes, I have 4 in total.
Providing employment for
Yes.
young people in this
Young
country.
people, yes.
And they've now been trained, which means they can also, teach others.
Yeah, they can also start their own business as well.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a good thing. Now, let's talk about the commercial side of things.
Yes.
You chose strawberries. There must have been a commercial reason. Why strawberries? Apart from the fact that Hawana is really an ideal place to grow strawberries. Why that product? Because you could have grown something else.
Uthanda izinto.
Sure.
Okay, Emma strawberries, I love them. Kakhulu, because fruit lena, I don't know how, but I love affairs.
Yeah, yeah,
They like it very much.
sure.
Yes, they love it very much. So it's a fruit in Jeletandwaga. Even the kids, they do love
Yeah.
strawberry.
Yeah,
Everyone loves
Everyone loves strawberry.
strawberries.
yes.
So, and its uniqueness makes me unique as well.
Sure, sure.
Yes, I like to try something
Say different.
different from any other person.
Sure.
Yes, and start by, you start small, then you grow
Yeah.
and check, is this viable?
Yeah.
And you can tell,
Yeah.
so I continue, I then expanded with the help of Taiwan.
Sure. So you are now convinced that strawberries are the product for you.
Yes,
This
they
is
are
what
the-
this is what you want to grow.
Yes, I want
You
to
know,
grow it.
okay.
Yes, I want to expand actually.
The market.
Kuvele nje kube ngu-strawberry farm.
Strawberry farm. Yeah, definitely.
Because the market is there. I won't lie.
Who's your market right now? For the strawberries.
All the supermarkets.
All.
The supermarkets. Yes.
Pick and Pay, Spar.
Pick and Pay, Spar. OK Foods.
Okay.
Boindali. Yes.
So you've not run short of markets.
We
Did
never
you
run short.
go to them and said, I'm a farmer, I grow strawberries.
Nope.
Can you have space? Or they approached you?
No. Because as I've said, we're a co-op.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Our chairperson, with the help of the Taiwan personnel, Alex
Okay.
Lin,
Okay.
they are the ones who got us most of our customers.
I see. Oh, so you didn't struggle there because of the
We
co-op.
don't struggle because of the co-op. Then there is me, marketing myself on social media.
Yeah, yeah. We'll talk about that one because there is this concept that you've brought. I think I've seen it for the first time in the country, where you allow people to come, individuals to come, and families to come to your farm to do the picking of fresh strawberries. Where does that come from?
locally produced.
Locally produced.
So I like this concept from Cape Town. Yes, I say, why not? Let me just try it out.
Yeah.
Yes, because we do deliver booze Kulama market in town.
Sure.
Then I said, why not? Let me just try on weekends. Let people come and just pick their own strawberries and just have that experience. Ngiyabonga ama-customer ngibonga kakhulu. Hayi bangisupportile shem kube icambe manje.
Yeah.
So excited, I'm happy to meet different people.
Sure.
Yes, I'm a people's person, by the way.
Yeah, no, I can tell.
Beta Bank supporter, I thank you so much. They're picking idea. They come from as far as Joburg, Nelspruit, Hala Mpumalanga,
Okay.
as far as Bo Emelo.
Wow.
Neighboring countries, they've come.
That's after seeing you on social media.
After seeing me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, they come and have an experience.
So what happens during the picking?
During the picking, how nice.
I want to come. The next one, I'm going to be there.
The next, okay, now it was free entrance.
Okay.
Yes, it was free entrance because I was just doing a trial. But in the long run, I'll make sure I'll charge the entrance fee.
So that
to
we
come
don't
here.
get people like Bogne coming. So
You know what happens? You know what normally happens? They do come to pick. Fine, I allow them to just eat. Le ensimin.
You're not
But-
supposed to. So you can
Yeah,
only
you can,
eat.
you can chow.
Can carry.
You
Can carry with your stomach.
eat. No, these are the containers.
Okay. Yeah, you can take.
When they come, I give them these containers. These containers, each one of them, they come.
Okay.
Okay, by harvest target to here. Because I tell them that per punnet, this is what we call punnets. These are the containers. Per punnet is 250 gram.
Yeah.
It was 25 emalangeni, by the way.
250 gram. 25
emalangeni.
All right.
So I show them this. We'll see. Make sure you harvest something that you will pay. 25 emalangeni. We estimate here. Then we are here and we do the measuring here.
Oh.
So sesiyabeka la skalini. Sesiyabeka ke so. Okay, we do like this.
Yeah. Wait, you can't go.
This one here. My bubbles.
I can still carry it for you.
Because strawberries are very sensitive, they are delicate.
Yeah.
So we use this plastic for its comfort.
I see.
We just cut, I'll use my hand here. As a demo. You just cut a nice square plastic, you put it here like this,
Yeah.
like this. Then you take your fruits, you arrange it in a
Nicely
manner.
there. Okay.
Yes, here you put them in line. So the big ones, if the customer wants the big strawberries,
Yeah.
like the shops, they usually don't want small. They
prefer the big.
They prefer the big ones.
Yeah.
So you just pack the big ones here. Then when it is 250, you take. You close. Then you use this one here. This one from Hawaiian farmers. This one here. When you see this Taiwan Taiwan ICDF.
Yeah.
And we write here, Hawane.
Yes.
You write your phone number. You write your phone number and you write Hawane. Then this is our sweet, locally produced strawberries.
Whose phone
You
number
will
goes
see
there?
by the
That's your phone number that you give to the customer.
Yeah, our phone number.
Okay.
Because even at shops, my supermarkets, they will see a phone number. So whose strawberry is this? Because
So is this part of the cooperative?
Yes, part of the cooperative.
I see.
So when you deliver rotten strawberries, you simply tell by the cell phone number, oh, it's not me, it's the other farmer.
Traceability.
Traceability, yes.
All right.
So
That's good.
this one here is subsidized by the
ICDF.
so we buy this container for 3 emalangeni. Together with is 3 emalangeni. This package 3. Then what else? It happens that when you do the weighing la,
Yeah.
it won't be exactly 250.
Could be more.
It could, yeah, slightly above.
Slightly above,
It's,
okay.
it's okay, but it must.
Must close.
It must close, and futhi kungapijiki la bese kuba untied. Yeah, be close neat.
So that's 25 a month.
That 25 emalangeni.
All right.
But ke naso ude ekhaya kalampele. Nale container ingavulavuleka nje kancane emane ngifake.
Singafaka ama-rubber bands.
Ama-rubber bands singawafaka. Naso ufike ekhaya uyathola nembansela.
Sitawubuya
that's it.
kalampele.
La. Then
And you were talking about this big one. This is the one you used to
for
pick.
Kids. This one
the
is-
kids can pick as well.
Yes. Abadzala. Older ones. These ones.
You pick,
They
you
can
pick,
pick.
you pick, and then you come.
You come here.
and weigh.
And weigh.
Okay.
Then depending kupuma how many punnets here.
Yeah.
Yes, then you pay 25 times the number of punnets.
All right.
Yes, that's
Makes
it.
sense.
But bengisachaza lokuthi sometimes kuyendeka ukuthi people they come with kids. Like you can come with your 5 kids.
Yes.
It happens. That's why I just want to put a fee, a flat fee for everyone who is coming here.
Oh, sure.
Because you will come with your 5 kids and the kids will chow the strawberries lapaya.
Yeah. Because they can eat.
Because they can eat.
Yeah.
Then
you pay
then you
25
come
rand,
here,
you go.
you pay 25 ml
Yeah.
and you go.
Yeah.
That's
No.
the tricky part.
Of course, everything you learn by experience. Of
Yeah.
course, now we know we need to control it.
Yeah, I have to control it because
Yeah.
I have to make sure that you pay per head by the gate. You come here at least.
Hopefully, you introduce this concept next year.
At
because
least not this
I'm
year.
bringing my kids this year.
Oh, ufuna kungiyisa Mr. Mgadi. Ufuna kungiyisa. So yeah.
All right. No,
Kuba
thank you so
kanjalo.
much. I think
Then-
I like the picking concept.
Okay,
And,
then when they come, I give them. Okay, first of all, ladies, they like theme for every occasion. So they make sure I give them a spare room to just go and change
for changing
their
room.
clothes.
Okay. Okay.
That will favor their
For going to the garden.
for going to their garden.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
So that they can just take pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now, going forward, we are looking into that they mustn't come in my house.
Yeah.
We'll just build everything outside.
Okay.
Outside toilet, outside office,
Sure.
everything outside.
So we're taking this picking concept
A higher level.
to a higher level.
Yes.
I like that. I like it, and I think for me the marketing that comes with it, I think is what has benefited the farm right now. Because if more people know about the farm, those are the people that can sell the product ultimately. If I had a nice experience and I post on social media, or I tell my friends, everyone will come into Lampele, of course.
The reason I'm not quite strict about this is just that you can buy this one punnet, but I know for sure you will buy my cushions. I know for sure you will buy my rabbit. I know for sure you will have eggs.
My eggs.
I know you will buy one chicken.
Yeah.
Uyabona?
Yeah.
At least I know ukuthi imali itawusala noma kanjani, apart from the 25 emalangeni.
Yes. It's a farm experience. So, it's a good marketing concept. I agree.
Yes, so it was done only on weekends because I wanted to be there
as
well.
Okay.
Yes.
So I think you're already touching to where is this going now, but you're already saying where are you taking your business? So what's the vision for the business now? You've started talking about it. Maybe you can expand there.
Okay, I can see myself because now I'm the first strawberry farmer, Gangwane. Loenda strawberry picking.
Picking, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that ngiyabonga kakhulu kuma customers ami la ngisupportile kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngithi akwanze. So from there my vision ngiyabona ukuthi no kuze kutoncipha ne divorce, let Hawane Farm be the provider of peace.
Yeah.
Love. Abantu bafike la, people they come here, they take pictures, they hug each other. Yathi kumnanzi nje kubona abantu bathandana.
Of course.
So they
feeding each other, you know, your strawberries.
My strawberries.
Wow.
Seeing the kids happy.
We have a page.
Seeing the kids happy, and sometimes what I've noted is that people, they just want more other than the strawberry picking, that they want some activities. Look, so because we have got more land, we will just do some other because they also like, I've noticed the kids, they like swimming, they like water, in fact. Because they just come, La Paglama sprinklers, and just stand.
Take a shower there.
Take a shower there. So we will just expand the business, let me say. Yeah, we'll just expand.
Improve the experience.
Improve the experience.
Of course.
I've been contacted by Baga Tourism.
Yeah.
Like they want all tourists. In fact, the places they just want to slot me gulama
places to visit.
Places to visit la Gangwane.
Sure.
Yes. Of course, labanye sevele bayatitela, some kumbis, some coach, individuals, they just come to just support.
Thank you.
Yes.
So we love where this
more
is going.
people are coming, and I'm happy about it. And my neighboring farm owners, like the business ones, the farm, they're really helping out because when I have quad bikes, so the people, they travel, ngalama quad bikes, they come here, then they go back.
Also, Hawane as an area is becoming a tourist attraction place.
Okay. Yes. So,
okay.
Siyabonga kakhulu esiveni.
No, Mkhulu Msebenzi, I think mainly also looking at your role in the cooperative and how you're lifting that energy up there. But I also wanted to ask, as you were saying, I think we came at a time where the strawberries are currently not available because of the season. Just to check in terms of your production cycles, would see, is there a concept around working with other farmers in the same area that can kind of, you can produce together for the market that, so that there's constant like supply to the market? Is
the constant supply is, as I've said, the co-op has got like 40 farmers.
Yes.
Okay, each. Okay, we don't have, in fact, each farmer has or his or her own farm.
Sure.
Yes, but we are all here in Hawani. Okay, some are around Malkans. They are part of Hawani, but they are
in Malkans.
Yeah, they've got their farms in Malkans.
All right.
Yes, we do, because we do supply. Because if they say, if Pick n Pay Matapa or Manzini say, I just want 700 peanuts, then we know the team on that side, we can just provide.
Take care of that.
Region.
Right.
Yes.
Oh, so that is already happening. So,
that's already happening.
Oh, great.
Yes, it's just that for the strawberry picking, it's only Magasimelane who's doing it. Yes.
Well, when is the next one?
The next one.
Okay. When is the next picking?
Okay, the main problem, because my aim was to have strawberry all year round. The problem now is with the climate change.
Yeah.
January, it has been raining throughout. So strawberries lie The problem, you see, the whole January.
It was raining.
Yes, so we had to feed strawberries, to feed chickens with strawberries.
Well.
You remove everything from the...
Yeah.
Yeah, because also the continuous rain affects the flowers, the blooming of the strawberry.
Okay.
That's the main. So that's the main problem we have.
Yeah.
So we are looking into, once we finish up planting the seedlings, we are then going to take it to another level of putting the shade.
Oh yeah. You talked about putting the shade.
Yes.
So yeah, like you are saying that we could be having them, but because of rains, it affected the production cycle.
Yeah, because there is a summer bearing one, then the winter bearing fruit.
Okay, and then going forward, how you're going to
Yes, but now we're
that?
just waiting for June.
Okay.
Yes, the winter ones from June to July.
So it'll be there.
Yes, then the summer from December upwards.
Okay. No, this is great, Magasimelane. I'm not sure what question I've not asked, but I think on behalf of anybody who's interested in strawberry, I've asked most of the questions. I think for me now, maybe Naskakane there, who's also a keen farmer of everything. I'm sure he's going to take some of your seedlings as well to go and try. Mapungwana is Highfield as well. I think it can grow.
Okay.
So the question is, that plant which I take from you, I think you've talked about how to take care of it a lot. But there's something that you said, that even from the runners, as you say, you can actually propagate a seedling from there.
Many seedlings.
So if I visit here and I see some runners, you allow me to pick and I can go and do it in the backyard of my home. And what should how do I do that?
No, you are not allowed to just go inside and just pick any runner. No, I'm the one who's supposed to pick the runner.
Yes, okay.
And
give
put
it to me nicely.
On that plastic, that black plastic small
the
one.
pot, yeah.
The pot, yes. Then I give it to you. 8 rand when you are here at home.
All right.
But obviously, Mbansela itabakhona.
Of course.
Yes, in Mbansela ibakhona. I also sell 8 rand if you arrive La Hawane, but in town it's 10 emalangeni per seedling.
Okay. Then I grow,
Then
and
you
then I say, hey, Magampele, I'm struggling with the market.
Uh-huh.
Can you help? If I'm a farmer that maybe I started from you, getting seedlings, can you put me under your wing to grow?
Why not? Ngiyasitwana la mhlabeni.
Yeah.
Why not? I can help.
Okay.
Because sometimes kuyaphela vele, and you say amongst us, kindly take this order for me.
Yeah.
Because we supply also my restaurants. Yes, my restaurants. People labashadago wedding. Siya supply nakhona lapho. There's so many things, and we also do make jam for out of lama strawberry. We make jam.
Yeah.
I also make frozen ones. I do have frozen ones pegged per 2 kg. It was 100 rand on the frozen one. You see, when you just do the first grade for the supermarkets, then the leftover ones, you simply chop them, you cut, you clean them, you package them. Every 2 kg or 1 kg can be 50 rand. 2 kg. I mean 1 kg can be 50 rand. 2 kg, 100 rand.
Okay.
Yes. Then you can also, there are so many things you can do with strawberry. You can also do you can just put them like an air fryer or oven to dry it up. You mix them with any other fruit as a snack.
Oh, yeah.
You chow.
Okay.
Apart from that, you can also blend.
And
Now blendile, we sell ngale stapati less 1 liter.
Juice.
Yeah, Lonja, I was just strawberry. There are no more strawberries.
Yeah.
But the blended ones. Now wafagela.
Yeah.
You put it deep freezer.
Oh, okay.
Aba fresh.
Oh, so you can have them anytime.
Anytime you having this juice.
Great.
Yes. Nabo jam. As I've mentioned a few.
Thank
So
you.
many uses.
Like sesiyakuxoxa mpele ngake simelane se mhlambe nje you can mention the biggest challenge that you faced as a strawberry farmer and how you've overcome that.
The biggest challenge raining non-stop.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. Otherwise,
Everything is good.
everything is good. But I know we will sort that one out. Yes, there are disadvantages as well of applying the shade.
Yeah.
Because legma shelves at my supermarkets, lama strawberries la planted la gule shade.
Yes.
They are quicker to rot. That's the problem, Ganzi, because my strawberries
These have long
sunlight.
shelf life.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, because they are
In the open. So
on the open, and they do need sun, like 6 to 8 hours of sun.
Okay.
Yes, but we will manage, because another thing, we can just apply the shade only on top. Then
leave the side.
When we see that there
Some nyoka makhanda is coming.
it's coming lapaya little tool, then we just
Then you close.
we close on the sides. Yes, but always style is vulile, because the air circulation
Sure.
is vital.
So as we close, what's your message to particularly women, farmers, young farmers? What would be your message with your journey? What can you share and encourage others who want possibly to, they look at you and they say, how can I be like Magasimela?
Obvious, people are not the same.
Yeah.
I will say that. Sehlukile, but I will encourage everyone. They must try something leto ba lethela imali. Anything you can try, any business. Nekuthengisa, don't be afraid of selling. Because kude umuntu longadli.
Oh yeah.
Uyabo, kude umuntu longadli. We all need food.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid of selling. Ukuthi abantu bazothini. Mina ngaphuma kadzeni ke lapho. Ukuthi abantu bazothini.
You're just selling.
Mina ngiyayithanda impilo le full of joy.
Yeah.
Happiness. Ngibeke suthi esiswini.
Yeah.
Ngibeke ukuncane lengiyokuthenga esitolo.
Yes.
I like that.
Yeah.
And don't be afraid to start small.
Sure.
Yes. Sonke asfanani ama characters isibamvu. Mina I'm good in marketing and I'm good in collecting money.
Yeah.
Lo muntu uthi Nkosi yami mina ngabe sengithengisaphi.
Yes.
No, just try out something. Sikhona thina bomake simelane
That
ungasho
suits
ukuthi asongiside just market me. Because labanye abantu basaba kuthengisa.
Yes.
Eva ngathi hey kungehlisela sithundi hey no
Fear of rejection.
Fear of rejection. We are here as bomake simelane siyathengisa. We have been selling throughout our lives and impilo ayizange seyifanana nasemuva.
Yeah.
Like impilo nje yekubaphuwa ayiphele kithi nebantu labamnyama sesisebende ngemhlabathi. Soil is our greatest asset. I'll encourage everyone to start anything, any business.
Yeah.
But if it fails, just as I told you, ukuthi kusenekwendeka you having a sewing business.
Yeah.
Uyabona ukuthi this one is no longer working. Try other businesses.
Yeah.
Okay. Ufuye tinkukhu. Ubone ukuthi okay, tinkukhu nato tinginike inkinga. Try any other and ungasho ukuthi badawuthini bantu futhi mina ngithengisa konke marketing ngimi tinkukhu ngimi imgwaja ngimi in. No, uyabuka ukuthi yini lo ngayenda. Mina
Yeah.
I like multitasking.
Yeah.
Allocate time for everything. Ubone ukuthi okay nangenda lokho while lokho kumile ngiyakwenda lokho. Because ngeke vele ukwende konke at once. Fine, multitasking is possible with the help of a helpers one. But ke sonke ngeke sibe nawo ama means ekuholela those people. But try something lota ukhona nawe ukuthi uyina kanjani ulota ikhona kuyenda. Uyabona. Ngiloko nje lengakusho ukuthi ladies out there, I'm a lady in ICT. I'm also a fashion designer. I'm sewing curtains. I'm also a rabbit farmer. I'm also chicken. I'm into strawberry now. Konke kuyendeka. Siyabonga. But if you have any question about kulele sengumentionile, you can come to Make Simelane. It's just that I'm a full-time employee. Sometimes they will call kanzi ukuthi ngibhizi emsebenzini.
Yeah.
But I'll also encourage people to do research. You research about anything. Try always now thola internet. You research. Meaning I do research each time. Yeah. When I see something, okay, basi kulinywa batata ekhatsi esakeni. Oh, okay. Asenguzame, sengubona. You try it out. Nangabe kwala kuyala, nakuvuma kuyavuma. Uyabona. You do research now and again. Ungene kubo Google, ungene kubo YouTube, ungene kubo Pinterest, u research nje. I mean I like that. Angathi noma ngilokuse umuntu waka IT, I don't know. But I like to research. So ngiloko nje lengikuthandzako lengingacela ukuthi bantu bakwende because ubona timvo letiningi lo ngadenda lapha kubona kanjani.
Yeah.
Bo Pinterest so.
Ngoni. Thank you so much. We have learned a lot.
Yeah,
and thank you for your time and for sharing your beautiful story.
Thank you.
We hope someone there has actually been also uplifted to think about what they wanted to do and were afraid, and now they think, if other women can do it, I can also do it.
Yeah.
So to our viewers, we thank you for following our channels, and we'll deliver another sweet program like this one in our next episode. You've heard Magesimelane does almost everything, and she's capable. She still has a full-time job, but she's capable of doing everything that she loves. So siyabonga for her story. Join us in the next episode. Thank you.
Okay. Apart from that, they can find me my social media. Nga Happiness Shabangu Simelane.
Sure.
Instagram, same name. Happiness Shabangu Simelane on all the platforms. I'm there. Thank
We'll
you.
find. In fact, we did find you there. We'll of course tell others to find you.
Thank you.
Siyabonga,
So much.
Mnguni. Siyabonga.
Thank you so much.